Hey, how's it going? This is Keiron Hogg, and in today's quick video, I just want to talk about what I do when I am feeling discouraged and how maybe it can help you if you are feeling sometimes like you're hitting the wall, you're losing that motivation, that momentum, because it is quite easy to fall into that trap, if you will. Everybody feels discouraged, as I'm sure you all know. It doesn't matter really what it is, but this is about affiliate marketing, making money online, etc. So what I want you to just kind of reaffirm, and this is what I tell myself, is that there's a proven system that does work. All right, there are other people before me, before you, who have figured out a proven system that works, and it is making them a lot of money and giving them a lot of free time as well to be able to do the things that they want to do with the people that they want to do it with. So whenever I'm feeling a little bit kind of like overwhelmed, I also take a step back, look at the time frame. It doesn't have to be all done in one day, 1 week. You can break it into pieces and just realize that this is going to be a long-term goal, and you can step by step make it there. So here's an analogy. I mean, if you've ever made cookies, for example, and if you've never had a recipe book and you just were told to make cookies on your own, probably they're going to taste pretty awful, right? But when we want to make cookies, we follow the recipes, we follow the step by step and the tools that we need to use to make a great cookie, right? So when it comes out of the oven, it's tasting awesome. The same thing applies with affiliate marketing. We are following the system and the tools that we need. So we can look at, of course, YouTube videos, but really we want to be looking at gurus. I spend money following mentors who I can be in contact with, and they can guide me along the way, and they can help me get to my destination faster. So this is just a little bit of motivation for you guys. Remember, if you're feeling a little discouraged, there are mentors out there that have done it and it is proven. And even if you have any questions for me, I will do my best to answer you right away, immediately. And if I don't know how to give you the perfect answer, I have mentors who can help me give you a clear answer. All right, that is my inspiration for you. Hang in there. It is doable. Just keep that in mind. Lots of people do it. They hang in there, they persevere. And in many ways, it is easier now than it was before, because a lot of the trailblazers have to do this through trial and error. But they have the system down for us just to copy. So remember that. Keep motivated, keep disciplined, keep working hard. This is Keiron Hogg, wishing you the best of luck on your journey. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.